Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Dashimara, and today I'm here with another episode of Minecraft. No, not Minecraft. Mario Kart 8. I'm sorry, I'm getting the words confused. I'm also going to, hopefully, seriously, Game Lounge. How do you always get on my server at the last minute? It's very creepy, actually. Like, how do you know my server? Like, the server? Alright, let's see. Who do we want to play as? Let's play as this girl. I don't know what her name is, but let's see. There's a fox suit. There's a Kirby suit. Hylian. Let's see. Princess Peach suit. Hi. Yeah, that's right. Let's see. Should I? Let's see. I'll pick this Peach parasol because I'm Peach. Alright, I think we're doing the Leaf Cup again. No, wait. No, we already did that. Let's do the Lightning Cup. Oh, no, not Rainbow Road. Rainbow Road. You gotta go. You're gonna run an errand. Please be Hyrule. Alright, everyone. So now, we are going to be facing the first level by any minute right now. It's Tick-Tock clock, Tick-Tock the clocky lock. Tick-Tock the clock. This girl looks really cute. I hope, let's see. Let's see who's the winner. Let's go because time is tick-tocking out. Get it? Time's running out. Ooh, I got a joke, Game Lounge. Alright, how do I explain this? Why is a clock... What does a clock usually do? He runs out of time. Get it? Get it? That's a nice joke. Do you think I should say that as the word of the day for the meaning? Awesome. We gotta make sure that no one gets up on our tail, Game Lounge. Because you know what happened last time with Lakoot, Larry, and Kirby or someone, whoever. Don't you dare. You're not against me, are you? You're not against me? Alright. Just keep an eye on the road. I think there's a button that you can switch in the back. See what's in the back, like how Stampy does it? If you guys know who Stampy is, great. If you don't know who Stampy is, check in the link in the description below. You will love his channel. Run! You're the Cloud Girl? The Cloud Girl? Jump! Alright. Alright. Did you just got collected by Lakuti? Jump! They switched the cogs. Interesting. Because cogs are the things that are most important. Alright, synchronized order, Game Lounge. Remember everything we did in survival mode. Jump! Ah, that's gotta hurt my head. Good thing I was wearing a helmet. People or viewers that are watching this, make sure to wear a helmet when you're riding a bike and everywhere else. Because if you don't, your head's gonna crack. Yeah. Don't try having no helmet at home. I just finished. Itchy. It's itchy in here. Can anyone hear the honk? No one can hear the honk? If you turn up your volume a little bit louder, you'll hear the honk.